Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by importing the clip and the sky image you want to use. You should trim the exact segment where the sky will change and duplicate the layer as a non-destructive backup. Once done, make sure project resolution matches your output, 1080p or 4K, because a mismatch alters mask quality. You'll also want to set playback to high quality so you can see edges clearly while masking. Now move the sky image onto the timeline above the original clip. We'll create the mask next. With the sky layer above, select the original clip and open the mask tool to isolate the sky. Use linear or brush masks to follow complex edges. Once shaped, add feathering. Start small and increase until edges look natural. Typical values range from a few pixels to 30 depending on resolution. If there's camera movement, enable tracking so the mask follows motion. Then switch to the sky image and experiment with blend modes and opacity. Making the replacement sit correctly in highlights, finish by color matching the sky to the scene. Tweak exposure, contrast, saturation, and color balance until the hue and brightness feel consistent with foreground lighting. To sell realism, add subtle motion blur or grain to the sky so textures match. Once satisfied, export a short test clip at full quality and review frame by frame. If you see edge flicker or haloing, go back and refine mask keyframes, increase feather slightly, or enable denoise/anti-flicker. These fixes usually solve common artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.